Good morning, dear students. So, in our last video, we discussed our poem Teamwork. I hope you all liked it a lot. So, now, today, we are going to do some exercise of this poem. So, first, in this part, we have question like complete the following sentences. Here there is a two sentence. We have to complete this sentence. If nobody passes the ball in basketball game, then you can't shoot. अगर बास्केटबॉल गेम में कोई बॉल पास नहीं करेगा तो आप उसे शूट कर पाओगे? नहीं कर पाओगे. In a relay race, if nobody passes the baton, then क्या होगा? A relay race cannot go on. जो रिले रेस है वो आगे नहीं चल पाएगी, है ना? Now, name the team members needed for the following. कौन कौन से टीम मेंबर चाहिए कुछ काम करने के लिए, है ना? As we already studied that if there is a teamwork, we can make our dream work. Okay. So here एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे हमें दिया गया है टू प्ले क्रिकेट वी नीड बैट्समैन, बॉलर्स, फील्डर्स एंड कोचेस. क्रिकेट की गेम अगर हम खेलते हैं तो हमें बैट्समैन चाहिए, ऑब्वियसली बॉलर्स चाहिए, यस, फील्डर्स चाहिए, एब्सोल्युटली, एंड कोचेस के बगैर नहीं हो पाता है ना, कोच तो चाहिए ही हमें सिखाने के लिए. सो इन दिस सेम वे टू मेक अ फिल्म, अगर फिल्म बनानी है तो हमें किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? सो वी नीड डायरेक्टर फर्स्ट, एक्टर एंड कैमरामैन, बिकॉज विदाउट कैमरा वन कैन नॉट एक्टिंग, है ना? वो एक्टिंग हमें नहीं दिख सकती अगर हम शूट नहीं करते तो. सो डायरेक्टर, एक्टर, कैमरामैन एंड व्यूअर्स. अगर व्यूअर्स नहीं है तो फिल्म चल पाएगी? नहीं. To run a good school, we need principal, teachers, and obviously students. To run a restaurant, we need manager, cooks, waiters, and dinner set. Okay? So, अगर हमें टीम में वर्क करना है तो कोई भी वर्क करने के लिए हमें कौन कौन से लोगों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है वो हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है. I hope this both exercise is now clear in your mind. Now let us move towards the another one. Here, complete the sets of rhyming words one has done for you. So here some of the words and we have to write the rhyming words for each word. So first is team. So here own word is beam, team, beam. So now similar way में plus, bus, done, gun, hoop, loot, shoot, root, goal, soul, joy, toy. So these are the own words, these are the rhyming words which is already done. Now, here there is a one poem. Read the poem. Now let's read the poem. For what of a nail? For what of a nail the shoe was lost? For want of a shoe the horse was lost. For want of a horse the rider was lost. For want of a rider the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost, and all for the want of a horseshoe nail. So here it is written that for the nail, जो हॉर्स है उसका नेल है, वो जब चाहिए था उसके लिए क्या खो गया? शू वॉज लॉस्ट. फॉर वॉन्ट शू, शू जब चाहिए था, शू को ढूंढने में क्या लॉस्ट हो गया? हॉर्स। हॉर्स को ढूंढने में क्या लॉस्ट हो गया? राइडर। राइडर को पाने के चक्कर में क्या लॉस्ट हो गया? बैटल। एंड इफ द बैटल लॉस्ट देन ऑब्वियसली द किंगडम वॉज लॉस्ट, बिकॉज बैटल ही नहीं है तो किंगडम कहाँ से होगा? ऑल फॉर द वॉन्ट ऑफ अ हॉर्स नेल शू। तो इन शॉर्ट में हमें क्या चाहिए था? हॉर्स का शू, ओके, नेल, जो नेल है हॉर्स शू नेल, वो हमें चाहिए था। नाउ from questions for the given for answers given in the speech bubbles. So here answer is already written and we have to frame a question for this answer. So first is the shoe was lost because of the nail. The shoe was lost because of the nails. शू क्यों लॉस्ट हो गया? नेल की वजह से। तो क्वेश्चन क्या फ्रेम होगा? Why was the shoe lost? शू क्यों लॉस्ट हो गया? बिकॉज ऑफ नेल। नेक्स्ट इज द किंगडम वॉज लॉस्ट बिकॉज द बैटल कुड नॉट बी फाउट। द किंगडम वॉज लॉस्ट बिकॉज बैटल कुड नॉट बी फाउट। सो क्वेश्चन क्या फ्रेम होगा? वाई वॉज द किंगडम लॉस्ट? वाई वॉज द किंगडम लॉस्ट? क्यों किंगडम चला गया? क्योंकि बैटल ही नहीं हुआ, फाइट ही नहीं हुई, that is why the kingdom was lost. Next is the battle was lost because there was no rider. The battle was lost because there was no rider. So the question is why was the battle lost? Battle क्यों lost हो गया? Because वहाँ पे कोई rider ही नहीं था. So this is the questions for these answers. Now the next is, now make 3 more questions and answer from the poem Teamwork. So here I have already framed the question answers from the poem Want for a Nail and as well as Teamwork. So first is, what can we share with teamwork? So obviously joy. Where should we put our eyes? So on a common goal, yes. What can teamwork do? So the teamwork can make our dream work. Now from the poem Nail, how was the kingdom lost? Because battle could not fought. Okay, how was the battle lost? Because there was a no rider. And how was the shoe lost? The shoe was lost because of the nails. Now we'll be moving towards picture composition. Look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence using the words clue given in the box. Okay, so here there is a picture and you can see many of the people is working, right? One person is laying the bricks. Okay, one person is laying the bricks. One is painting on the wall. Okay, the another one is, what he is doing? He is making a door, right? Somebody is holding this ladder, and one is working with this electricity bulb. Okay, now this is the picture and we have the questions. So we have to write the answers on the basis of this picture. So सामने के पेज पर क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स दिए हुए हैं. We have to write the correct answer from this picture only. So let us see the questions. The first question is, who is laying the bricks? Who is laying the bricks? Bricks कौन रख रहा है और बना रहा है, lay कर रहा है? So a mason is laying the bricks, right? Who is holding the ladder? Ladder किसने hold की है? A laborer is holding the ladder. हु इज़ द मैन ऑन द लैडर? लैडर पे कौन मैन है? सो कौन है लैडर पे मैन? इट्स एन इलेक्ट्रिशियन. सो एन इलेक्ट्रिशियन इज ऑन लैडर. हु इज़ मेकिंग द डोर? डोर कौन बना रहा है? ऑब्वियसली टीचर तो है नहीं, राइट? डॉक्टर तो है नहीं, तो डोर बनाने का वर्क किसका है? कारपेंटर. अ कारपेंटर इज मेकिंग द डोर. Who is painting the walls? A painter is painting the walls. Okay. So here our poem ends. Write down this exercise in your notebook with clean and neat handwriting. See you in the next one. Thank you.